In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a USB stick or a USB flash drive to your TV so that you can watch videos, movies, play music directly from USB using your TV. Or you can also read the content of and see the content of your USB using your TV, and no need for computer, for example. When trying to connect a USB to your TV, it is very important to know that on your TV you have multiple USB ports, and not all USB ports support USB flash drive or USB stick. So you need to try different USB ports and see which one works. For example, in my case, one USB port is here and one USB port is at the back side under the TV. So for me only this one works. So like this. On some TVs it automatically scans the USB and reads its content, and if it doesn't scan the USB automatically on your TV, you need to go to the sources. Most remote controls have the source button, as you see here, the source button, so that you can click and it jumps automatically to the sources. For example, if I click this, it goes to the sources, and in the sources you have satellite, antenna, streaming, screen mirroring, USB, and etc. But if your remote control does not have the source button, you can go to the sources manually. For example, now if I go back to the home, so I'm just navigating. So that is the source icon. If you click, you come to the sources, navigate to the USB and click on the USB. Here you see USB devices. It found one. That is the label for the USB devices, and here are the contents. You have the folders, the videos, and the photos. So if your TV is really different than my TV, then somehow navigate to the sources, and in the sources you will find USB. Click on the USB and then click on the USB label. Then you will see the content of the USB. So these are only all the pictures, the logo of my website, another logo. So as you see, a smart TV is almost like a computer. You have browser, you have applications, and also you can connect it to your USB. That's it guys, I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. We have published many helpful, useful courses, tutorials, tips, tricks and hacks that can help you with your career, with your studies, with your projects and with your everyday life. So check out our channel and watch also our other videos. Take care and have a wonderful time.